People, welcome back to Politics Watch. Now today I'm going to talk about the dancehall artist Keshan and how our situation could have easily been avoided, and also how her story is very common in Jamaica, but in this case things just happen where it end up in the worst case scenario, right? So basically someone who has intimate details about the situation, right? Obviously I'm not going to give away my source, but the person has reached out to me and let me know exactly what happened and what was the build up to this situation, because things like this don't just happen overnight. There has to be a backstory, right? So basically this is what happened with Keshan. Now, it's a classic case of a love triangle. So basically, she met a man, right? The same man who ended up taking her life, right? She met the man, but at the time, he was with his baby mother, right? So Keshan was his side chick, right? So now, eventually, the man baby mother find out about Keshan, right? And they break up, and the man end up there with Keshan outright. So now Keshan is his main girl, right? Now, for one reason or another, the baby father decided he wanted to go back to his baby mother, right? Now remember, at this point Keshan was his girl. Now she got upgraded from side chick to main girl, but now the man wants to go back to his baby mother, right? Now the man arranged to meet with his baby mother in Old Harbour, right? And apparently Keshan was not the type to be quiet and be low key, right? So the man arranged to meet with his baby mother, right? But Keshan already knew the baby mother. She knew the car, she knew everything about them, right? So when he went to meet with his baby mother, Keshan saw them, right? And apparently, right, she knocked out the window on the passenger side, right, of the vehicle, right? So the man, seeing this is not where the final altercation took place, right? The man actually drove away after the glass get knocked out the first time, right? He took her home. He took the baby mother home. So then reach home, you know, right? But Keshan actually left the original location where she knocked out the glass the first time and went to the house, right? So she went looking for trouble, right? And again, this is not to throw dirt on somebody who's no longer with us, right? We're just trying to get to the details, and we're just trying to make the story clear, right? So she goes to the house, right? And now she's at the house in the yard and she's cursing out the baby mother, right? So now Keshan and the baby mother exchange words. But this is where things started to take a turn. Keshan started throwing stones on the man car, right? Start mash out the car glass then. Now the person also confirmed to me that Keshan was indeed pregnant, right? So Keshan is throwing stones at the man car. At this point the baby mother is telling the man, say, yo, go talk to her because she's getting out of control, right? Now the man tries to talk to Keshan, right? Now he's trying to restrain her, right, and prevent her from throwing more stones. This is when the weapon came into play, right? Right. He got the first stab, right, and he was trying to restrain her still, right? Then he got stabbed 2 more times. This is when he realized Keshan meant business, right? It was at this point that him reach for him life in peace. Right. Now, person who sent me these details was saying that to show you how much the man didn't want to hurt Keshan, he hesitated even after he picked up the first couple of injuries. Now, clearly, as I said, this is a love triangle, so the man probably, well, not probably, the man has some kind of emotional attachment to both females, right? But the way Keshan is acting, him realize him can't calm her down, right? And the fact that she managed to inflict a wound on him once and he didn't respond immediately shows you that there must be some kind of emotional reaction or connection, right? It was when she came back to stab him again, this is when he let off the round that took Keshan's life, right? People, this is a classic case of a love triangle gone bad, right? These kind of things happen all over Jamaica. Matey and wife mouth ketchup. But in this instant, it just so happened that it ended in such a way where basically somebody have to go plan funeral, right? But I want to address something. Now, people were asking in the comment section when I did my first video on Keshan, why would a woman attack a man who should know have a life in peace? Remember, this is basically her man. In her mind, this is her man. And it was her man because at least for a period of time. So she know everything about him. She knows him strap. Why would she attack him? I'll give you the answer. It's actually very easy to me now. And women out there, especially women who've had children, can comment on this and tell me if you agree or not. The fact that she was pregnant says a lot in her actions. The thing she did, the actions she took were clearly irrational. There was not much thought put into them. But pregnancy hormone can do that. Women on the channel, am I wrong or am I right? A pregnant woman, a matter of fact, here's an interesting fact for you. I know a story in England of a pregnant woman who basically out of nowhere one day snap and mash up her man's face, right? It was like a simple disagreement. It was something like him say, pick up that or something like that, and she snapped because she was like, she's pregnant and he might tell her to do things, and she snapped, mash up his face, and she got off the case. I remember that case clearly, and how she got off is because her lawyer managed to convince the judge that in the state that she was in, she was heavily pregnant, hormones were raging, and this man was frustrating her, and she walked off the case, right? Now, don't get it twisted. I'm not saying Keshan was justified in a mash up the man car and stab up the man. Absolutely not. The man has all right self-defense. I mean, I really wish it didn't have to end like this, but there's a saying in America, if you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. Right? You just don't bring knife and stone to a Glock fight. Right? But with those pregnancy hormones raging, with her feeling heartbroken and betrayed, then that would explain why she would attack somebody who clearly has the upper hand. Now, from all reports I'm getting, the man tried to avoid hurting Keshan, and apparently he mash up. No, he made his mash up because apparently they check for her, right? And obviously he's the reason why she's no longer here, and his unborn child, because again she was pregnant. So this story is just sad all around. As I said, it is not rare. It happens every day. It's just the end product is different in this scenario. People, you just have to be careful out here. Right? I'm sure that day when all three of these people wake up, the baby father, the baby mother, and Keshan, nobody knew the day would end like this. Right? But it's just tragic. This girl was a talented artist, had a bright future ahead of her. You might be asking yourself the question, why she couldn't just walk away? I'm the wrong person to ask. Right? It always sounds easier, I guess. But as I said, the combination of pregnancy plus heartbreak, those are the things, in my opinion, that led to Keshan's irrational actions. Right? And they ended up making her pay the ultimate price. Just be careful out there, people. This is Politics Watch. Patreon Squad, Shirley D, Self-Speed, King Jazz, Scorpio. Big up on yourself. Until next time, bless.